Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a billing address in the Breeze Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the green button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the payment methods button. And if you scroll down at the billing address section, first you have to give your street name at the address line. And then you have to give your city and your select your state. And lastly, you have to set your zip code. And if you filled everything, then just click on the Save Address button, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.